Hi, I would like to thank Kimuse for sending me these 4 eyeshadow sticks and mascara so that I could try these out and give you my opinion about these. And I love these. I'm going to show you how I use them on my eyes today. But first, let me just tell you about them. So I love these because they are blendable, and that is so important to me. I've used eyeshadow sticks from other companies in the past, and you put it on and it just sticks there and you can't work with it. And these are very blendable. They're creamy when they go on. And then you can use your finger or a brush to just kind of like blend it all in. And then it becomes almost kind of like a powdery, shimmery look to it, which I love. Also, the mascara brush looks like this. I tend to, when I'm putting my mascara on, it tends to get clumpy. The eyelashes will clump together, and then it's so hard to get them apart without making a mess. And I love this because it lifts them and separates the eyelashes and just makes them look really long and full for me. So love, love, love this. So let me show you the colors on these. So I'll just turn them all up here. So I used the darkest one, that would be this one, under my eyes. So you can probably see I use that as eyeliner underneath right here. Really, really pretty. And then I used the second darkest one, this one. I used it up here, up towards my brow bone, and then across here, and kind of like the whole outer part of my eyelid. And then, like I said, I just took my finger and kind of patted it and blended it. So, 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 so pretty. And then I took this color, which is kind of like a goldish, shimmery color, and I did the insides of my lids and blended it in. And then I took this white, you could probably see I did right here. And then I also did my waterline. Hopefully you can still see that. I also did up here kind of on my brow bone. So another thing about these that I really like is with the darker colors, you can actually use these, like you could go along and kind of do like this if you want to do like a little bit of contouring of the nose and whatnot. And you could also use that kind of shimmery gold color to do some highlighting on your cheek. So it's just the possibilities of these are so good. So I said that my favorite part is how blendable they are, but I have to tell you my second favorite part is how quickly I can do my eye makeup in the mornings when I'm getting ready. I love that. You just swipe them on and kind of blend them with your finger and you're done. Apply a mascara. So, so great. Thank you so much to Kimuse for sending these to me. I highly recommend these and appreciate it. Thanks.